South Korea is known all over the world not just because of K-drama and K-pop, it is also because of their mouth-watering foods that has also been adapted worldwide. In this video, we will take a look at 6 famous and tasty desserts that are available in South Korea.
Alright, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go.
First traditional dessert on the list is Gangjong. This dessert is a mixture of glutinous rice, honey and malt. It is then boiled and then puffed cereal is mixed in. They sometimes add peanuts too, just like in this video. And cutting the flattened dough into square slices, then drying them in shade before they are deep fried in oil.
끓어서 수분이 좀 늘어가고 나무 같은 경우는 이 뼈를 따라서 올라가기 때문에 이것도 손목에 힘이 없으면 이게 빨리 안 들어가.
Second dessert is Patbingsu. This is a popular South Korean dessert, its name meaning red bean ice flakes. It consists of shaved ice, condensed milk, chopped fruit, fruit syrup, and sweet azuki bean paste. But in this video, the lady put marshmallows, I think. Now on to the modern desserts. The third dessert is Hotteok. Hotteok is a popular Korean pancake that is usually filled with cinnamon, brown sugar, and nuts, such as peanuts and walnuts. It is commonly sold as street food at numerous Korean street stands. The pancakes can be thin or thick. It is crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. The fourth dessert is Bungeoppang. Bungeoppang is a fish-shaped pastry stuffed with sweetened red bean paste, which originated from the Japanese taiyaki. This snack is one of South Korea's most popular winter street foods, and you can find it being sold as street stalls, grilled in an appliance similar to a waffle iron but with a fish-shaped mold. Are you getting hungry now? Same. The fifth dessert is Crêpe. It is a very thin pancake, usually made from wheat flour or buckwheat flour, and in this video, it is layered with either Nutella, banana, sugared strawberries, cornflakes, chilled blueberries, whipped cream, and chocolate syrup.
수분 하나씩만 꽂으면 돼요?
네. 감사합니다.
How much? 4.5. 4,500. 수가 없죠, 이제 그죠?
생크림도? 땡지? 안 넣어도 돼?
I'm very hungry.
And if this video made you want to ruin your diet or made you hungry, please do consider subscribing. Only if you want to. And also, please like the video so I'll know if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how